Hello everyone, welcome back once again in our lecture series of the subject Electrical Materials and Wiring Practices. This is our lecture number 10. Today we are going to discuss about IE rule. Rule 44A, Intimation of accident. If any accident occur in connection with the generation, transmission, supply or use of energy in or in connection with any part of the electric supply lines or other work of any person, and the accident result is or is likely to have resulted in loss of human or animal, such a person or any authorized person of the electricity board not below the rank of JE or equivalent shall send a telegraphic report to inspector within 24 hours. अगर अगर जनरेशन, ट्रांसमिशन या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते टाइम अगर कुछ इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई लाइन से रिगार्डिंग कुछ एक्सीडेंट फॉर्म होता है और जिसका रिजल्ट ह्यूमन और एनिमल डेथ होता है, तो इस ऐसे टाइम में जो भी ऑथराइज्ड पर्सन है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड का जैसे कि जेई बिलो द यानी कि जेई और इक्विवेलेंट टू द जेई यानी जेई के नीचे की पोस्ट, जेई यानी जूनियर इंजीनियर के नीचे की पोस्ट नहीं है, ऐसे पर्सन ने जेई या जेई के ऊपर के पर्सन ने जो इंस्पेक्टर है उन्हें 24 आवर्स में टेलीग्राफिक रिपोर्ट करना है. Now next one is Rule 46A, Periodical Inspection and Testing of Consumers Installation. Where an installation is already connected to the supply system of the supplier, every such installation shall be periodically inspected and tested at intervals not exceeding 5 years either by the inspector or by the suppliers in case of installation in mines, oil fields and railways by the central government. Where the supplier is directed by the central or the state government, as the case may be, to inspect and test the installation, he shall report on the condition of the installation to the consumer concerned in a form approved by the inspector and shall submit a copy of such report to the inspector or to any officer appointed to assist the inspector. Subject to the approval of the inspector, the form of inspection report contained in Annexure 9A may, with such a variation as the circumstances of each case require, be used for the purpose of this sub-rule. The fees for such inspection and test shall be determined by the central or the state government, as the case may be, in the case of each class of consumers, and shall be payable by the consumer in advance. In the event if of the failure of any consumers to pay the fees on or before the date specified in the fee notice supplied to the installation of such a consumer shall be liable to be disconnected under the direction of the inspector. Such a disconnection, however, shall not be made by the supplier without giving to the consumer 7 clear day notice in writing of his intention to do so. Notwithstanding the provision of this rule, the consumer shall at all times be solely responsible for the maintenance of his installation in such a condition as to be free from danger. रूल नंबर 46A में ये कहा है कि अगर इंस्टॉलेशन, जहाँ भी इंस्टॉलेशन ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, जहाँ पे सप्लाई सिस्टम सप्लायर को मिल चुकी है, ऐसे कंडीशन में एवरी सच पीरियडिकली पीरियड के बाद वो साइट इंस्पेक्टेड होना ज़रूरी है. टेस्टेड एट इंटरवल्स नॉट एक्सीडिंग 5 years, यानी कि जो भी हमारी साइट हुई है उसको 5 years के अबव का टेस्टिंग पीरियड नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके. और इन द केस ऑफ इंस्टॉलेशन कहाँ पे, जैसे कि माइन से, ऑयल फील्ड से या रेलवे से बाय द गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का जो भी ये है, जैसे माइंस, ऑयल फील्ड्स वगैरह, तो वहाँ एवरी इंटरवल्स के बाद इंस्पेक्शन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. वहाँ टेस्टिंग कंज्यूमर इंस्टॉलेशन का टेस्टिंग होना बहुत ज़रूरी है या होना चाहिए. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. दिस इज़ आवर चैप्टर फर्स्ट. Wiring components, tools and safety devices. Now, which type of question asked in MSBT exam? So please write down, list out major content for IE rules of safety. What is the role of IE for safety? Explain rules of safety in details. Then enlist various safety tools used for wiring. This question asks for 4 marks. Then what is the use of long nose plier in wiring? Explain long nose plier in terms of size, material and its purpose. What is the use of channel lock plier in wiring? This question asks for 2 marks. What is the use of screwdriver? Why safety hand gloves are required? How to check whether the shoes are safety boots or not? What is the role of safety boots? What is the use of safety rubber mats? What is MCB? Where is to be located? What is the operating principle of MCB? How does MCB work? Explain in details. Give application of MCB. What is ELCB? What is RCB? What are the advantages of RCB? Differentiate between voltage operated ELCB and current operated ELCB. Then how will you classify switch? Explain each switch along with its use. Or on what basis is the switch classified? Explain various position of the switch. Why are plugs used? How many pins are there in plugs? Explain function of each pin. What is lamp holder? What is its use? Explain various types of lamp holders. Define conductor. Next, what are the properties of good conductor? Differentiate between wire and cables. What is size of cable decided? Okay, so this type of question asked in MSBT exam, and all the syllabus we covered in this chapter. So please go through the all PPTs and all notes, and write down this question and answer in separate book. Okay, thank you very much.